Humantelligence, the power of people made simple. Welcome to Part 1 of the Humantelligence Product Demo Series. In this module, you will learn about our proprietary, patent-pending self-assessment, which is the cognitive science that underlies our three main core products. Our online self-assessment product uncovers the why, how, and what about people when it comes to work. Our 12-minute self-assessment is not your grandfather's assessment. It is EEOC compliant, so you can use it for both employees and candidates applying for jobs. In this 12-minute self-assessment, you answer questions, force ranking, 4 answers into 36 questions. What it evaluates is the behaviors, which is what all other assessment tools measure, just like ours. However, that's the how you behave. We also measure people's life priorities, their work motivators, their heart, why they do what they do, their values basically, and the ideal work styles, what gives people energy when they work. Now, all the other competing tools only measure behaviors and barely measure some motivators. Our tool measures all of this in 12 minutes, whereas any other tool to do the same would take 2 hours. Our tool is also cost-effective and is designed to be made available to all employees. Let me show you that in the platform. Here are the results of someone who has taken the assessment. In this case, Andres has a success statement, which summarizes his 2 dominants of what he is motivated by, what his behaviors are, and the ideal work environment for him. He can download a short and a long report, a success statement, and a summary of the entire report. This information is accessible on any device. It gives you the results of how to communicate with this individual, and this is specific just to him, how to motivate him, and how to influence or lead him. It also gives insights to that person and anyone who he's connected with about his or her motivators, with an explanation and highlights the different dominant traits, which are in color, and whether they're more service-oriented or innovative, their behaviors, whether they're stability or change-oriented, and their ideal work. Now, as you can see the platform, when you put the cursor over a word, it explains what it means. Now, from individual, it goes to peer-to-peer. You can click on anyone and do a side-by-side with that person and compare with you, the manager, or a peer, and get a fit score and the major differences and alignments between both people. Again, everything you see can be downloaded in PDF. The side-by-side allows 2 people to understand where there could be differences and where they're aligned and how to improve and engage. So basically, the 3-pronged approach that leads to true engagement, not surveys, but true engagement, which is understanding someone, communicating better, and connecting, and what potential pitfalls or friction there might be, and improve that relationship. Now, at the team level, for the first time ever, you can get team culture and measure your team culture and see what your culture is like. This is where you can see your team and what their motivators are, what their behaviors are, and ideal work. You can also see it in bubble chart form with more of an explanation, down here on the right, on what motivates your team, what the behaviors of your team are, and ideal work. You can also ask the question, what do you think your team culture is? And get a score of what you think it is versus the actual, and see where everyone on the team listed, how they fit with the team leader, how they fit with the actual, and how they fit with the future team culture on a 0 to 100 scorecard basis. So in this case, you can compare with the team leader, and on the left is the subordinate and the team leader, and see those comparisons. You can also see fit with actual and future culture. Thank you for watching the self-assessment product video. Be sure to watch each product video to experience all components of the Humantelligence platform.